Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at extensions and the fact that sometimes maybe you are doing a video and you want to show what something looks like. So you open up an Incognito window. You could either do Control-Shift-N or you open this up and you notice your bookmarks still come through, but your extensions don't. And maybe you want to take a screenshot and it's kind of a pain to go back and forth. Well, there's a couple things you can do. You could come over here, scroll down, and then you could go ahead and select extensions and then manage extensions. And then you can go through and find the extension you would like there. Or it's a little bit easier to do this. If you go ahead and this one here, this screenshot one, if you right click on one, you can then manage that extension. You can see the information on it here. But what I think is really cool is this right here. Allow an incognito. Why did I never know this before? I wish I would have. So what you can now do, I'm just going to do Control-Shift-N, and you can see right in here, you can take a screenshot. So we'll go ahead, and you can take a screenshot of that right there, and go ahead and save it to whatever it is you want to save it to. How great is that? Now, this one here, this one, it is a great one. It is literally called Take a Screenshot. So it's called a light shot screenshot, but it really is a great extension, very easy to use. So I would definitely recommend that. But the ability to right click on an extension and have it open in an incognito window is pretty valuable. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.